Do you want to know how some Canadians are leaving their 9 to 5s by flipping houses 100% remotely online and doing it all without ever buying the properties? Most people think that you need hundreds of thousands of dollars to get started in real estate, but you don't. Wholesaling real estate allows you to find deeply discounted off-market properties and then connect them to cash buyers and get paid for being in the middle. These are off-market properties at a deeply discounted wholesale price, and you get paid for being in the middle. I've been doing this from Canada all over North America, in the United States, Canada, Mexico, even in the Dominican Republic and Costa Rica recently, 100% remotely online. I want to show you exactly how I built this business online without using a large amount of capital, without using the bank's money, without using a license, without even needing a license. Click on the link below and sign up to the free training where I'm going to show you how to set up a wholesaling business in the next 48 hours.